Hello friends, we're continuing my winter wonderland, and now first we need to wet the paper, and today are watercolors and it is one winter landscape. So first wetting our paper. This is one postcard, like for this card for envelope. So that is that. We are just wetting paper like normal, just to be wet, not damp. That is that. And now I will take this yellow, and I want to put this yellow here in the middle a little bit more, and on the edges a little bit less, like this. And this is not a paper for watercolors, so I'm not sure how this will turn out. And then we will take this orange, and we'll continue with this orange like this. Our sky is yellowy orange. So something like this. Then we clean our brush, and then we will take black. This is not black, this is like a painter's gray with a lot of water, and we will make our trees when paper is wet. So our trees going somewhere like this. They are very tall. Here in the background is one forest. Then we are making our river, and the river will be also yellow here. And orange here. And also we can see our trees in the water, so we will put it like this here, and here like this. So this is now our ugly face, because if you know, you know. When watercolor painting look beautiful at the beginning, that they will not look nice. Now we need to leave our picture to dry, and then we are continuing. So now, when this is dried, we will add a bit of this black with little water. also some trees. And then I want to show these trees, which are normal color. We will maybe even use some very dark green with this black. And that is that. So now we need one blue, and I think this blue is most wanted. I will leave this to dry. So now I decide to put a little bit of white around, but first I need to add this brown. So we need some trees to show a bit stronger. And then I want to add white, like a snow. We will go like this from up to down. So let's see, maybe a little bit here. So we're adding acrylic because watercolor white, you can use it for adding snow, and maybe some here. So our snow is very subtle, but I also like, since it is this time of the year, I really also like to add this glitter. And now I think we're finished. I'm using this washi tape multiple times because it is best when it's not sticking too much for the paper. And now I want to wash this. because we are here. Make a little mistake. And look at this, guys. I don't know, do you see? I must get up. Do you see this glitter? It is beautiful. So that is that. See you tomorrow. Bye.